Hey, Supercar Central fans! Do you want to win a PS5? All you need to do is like the video, subscribe with notifications on, comment that you did it below, and make sure to watch the full video for a chance to win. This is how you visually explain what a mini heart attack is like. This car driver teaches us a little lesson about maintaining distance by torching the car behind.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Now remember here, kids, showing off is more often expensive than you think. You know, it might be true what they say with expensive cars. You kind of just lose motor skills. This skilled driver saves his supercar on the racetrack. It's almost as smooth as butter on toast. I don't think that's how you're supposed to make circles. Wow, the weather's just nice enough outside to destroy your car. I think ringing the bell isn't exactly working. Oh my god, I almost spilled my water after watching this. This guy's control honestly saved it. This dude must have thought he was hallucinating or something. This driver got pretty scared when he got cut off by another car. Now, officer, I swear, I was just showing my friend what oversteer is.
Oh my god. I got that on
Continue
video.
to follow the road for 10.
I think this scooter driver had to go back to get some clean parts. Now honestly, this is the equivalent of telling someone that you have something in your teeth. I'm pretty sure he was calculating the steering on the wrong calculator.
Fuck. Holy f. Wow. Shh. And I got that on video too. Oh my god. Is this your car? Oh, it's my friend's. Yeah.
Now this is honestly what happens when you plan everything just right, but it doesn't go exactly to plan. Buses really are scary sometimes.
Oh sh.
When you have a breakup and she gets all the furniture. Now this has to be the best way of opening a bottle of wine. That kind of looks like his own body part. And you think that you had a bad day at work, look at this one. This is the visual interpretation of anxiety. You know, I think the legend has it that he went straight to his house and cried for probably 3 days because of this embarrassment. The air might be just a little bit low on the front tires.
Hey, it's a V8 though. It's a V8 though.
Oh my god!
No! Hey, at least the SRT.
Where do these people even get these cars?
Oh! Shit. Yo!
We got one.
Yeah, I got that.
This guy probably learned how to drift from YouTube. Balancing just right on the rope.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh! Good job.
When you're not behaving, your mom is just watching you from the other side of the room.
Get that too. Damn, Joe.
Absolutely zero people mess with AMG.
Don't fuck up the Mercedes. Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck?
When the cops know how to drive. I don't think this guy's gonna be allowed back anymore. Man, that just looks so cool.
Oh
It's not gonna make it. Oh no, look. Oh no.
You got it?
I mean, he is kind of right after all.
Ouch.
Have you ever heard of a coolant dude? Now, this is honestly just beyond science. When you had to leaving the gas on before lighting up the stove? How did he even get there? He's never changed his radio station. That car's so damn lit that it just caught on fire.
Oh!